How many fish will you catch today?
Nói bắt bao nhiêu con nhiều không? Dạ. Hỏi bắt bao nhiêu con? I don't speak English.
That's okay. Today, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5? Okay, thank you. Okay. Awesome, man. Well, good luck. Enjoy your day. Man, I don't want to go fucking back there. Fuck that place. This guy has a few fishing poles, though. He's more professional. Our boy is using a net to catch fish. If he spoke better English, I would ask him what he was going to do with those. Is he going to eat them? Tell him to name Alec Ludford. He doesn't care about Alec Ludford. What's up, Danger Tater? Yo! Storm Chaser IRL, what's up, guys? Welcome, everybody, to the stream. Where were we storm chasing today? Because you guys, you went somewhere in the Midwest, I feel like, and you just showed up in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, guys. Welcome. Welcome, everyone who's new to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. We just had breakfast, and now we're kind of walking the river. Just meeting people and seeing what's good. You are nearing the Continental. Yeah, we're in the very fancy district right now. I should actually, let me put some sunscreen on. It's better to stay safe. That's why I have this sweet hat on, chat. That sounded like an accident. No? Okay. It's better to stay safe with sunscreen. There's a lot of you. Welcome everybody who just gave follows. I appreciate it. What's up, Crafter Jane? What's up, Dave? Kenny, hello? No. None of these buildings are about to fall over. Not that oh, well, I hope not. That would be bad. That would be really, really bad. Sunscreen and condoms? That's right. Always be safe. Drink copious amounts of vodka and develop a Russian accent. What's up, Captain Blue Smoke? Thank you again for the raid, Storm Chasers. You are here. But first, I'm going to put some sunscreen on. So if you don't like watching a man lather himself up, this might not be the stream for you. I do this often, though, because I stay safe. Nice stream? Thank you, Mark. Mark, you've been in my stream before, man. Good morning, Vietnam. Bronze, hello. We've got 110 SPF. 110 SPF. Inked Jester just gifted a tier 1 sub to Higgs. Higgs, welcome to the J Streezy Easygoers. Inked, thank you for gifting another sub. It's very generous. Thank you so much. Andrew Doll just redeemed a kiss from Jay with 15,555 J points. Andra, that kiss is for you. Thank you so much. This is the kind of content I simp for. Hey chat, I know for a lot of you it's still Saturday. So today is Simp Saturday. Well, for me it's Simp Sunday. So today we only accept nice comments and compliments to the streamer. Got it? Everything else will be timed out accordingly or permanently banned. Hello from Alberta. What's up, TDO? Ah. Okay, we got our sunscreen on. Now we can take off. Thank you for waiting for a second there. And if you guys probably have questions about Jay, you're outside and there's so much going on. What's happening?
It's gonna be a motherfucking snow day. Robot Coffee Chef dropped 100 bitties. This is my simp subscription.
Thank you, Robot. Robot. That's not a subscription, but it is 100 bits, so I appreciate it, dude. Quarantine here has been over for almost a month now. Vietnam had a short quarantine because There have been 0 deaths in Vietnam and under 350 overall cases. There hasn't been a new case in Vietnam for over 2 months. So everything is pretty much back to normal in Vietnam. And I'm in Vietnam's largest city right now. So that's why you see so much action happening. Lots of people out, lots of motor scooters. Yo, Erd Beer Elf, thank you so much for the 400 bits. So this is what it's all about, chat. Coop with 100 biddies. Oh, we're scam training. Uh-oh. You know what's funny, Hawk Around? Thank you for the 100. I can kind of feel it when the scam train starts, when we start hyping, because everyone gives 100 bits, because they know that if I know that the scam train is going, that I would say, hey chat, do you want to hit level 5? You know how easy it is to hit a level 5 hype train? If every single person in the chat right now gave 100 bits, we would crush. We would crush level 5. That's all it takes. Robot, thank you for another 100. Scam train is here. Is it Frogger time? No, we're gonna keep walking along the water, but I wanted to show the new people from Storm Chaser kind of like, this is what Vietnam is known for, right? Now I think of a few things in Vietnam. When I think of Vietnam, I think of crowded motorbike streets. I think of beautiful Vietnamese women on the back of a motorbike. I did not forget about you, Danger Tater. No, thank you. I think about coffee, and I think about crazy, crazy food.
100 bitties, elevator.
Danger Tater, thank you for the 100. Engie, thank you for the 100 bits. I appreciate all the bits, guys. Thank you. Miss Dawn, hello.
Little Jamboree dropped 100 bitties.
How can I buy bits? Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Unicorn underscore pudding dropped 100 bitties.
Orbital, thank you for the 100. Unicorn, thank you for the 100.
Robot Coffee Chef dropped 100 bitties. Hot dog water for all.
Hot dog water for all, yeah, dude.
Cafe Nielsen dropped 100 bitties.
We're getting a lot of biddies now. Robot with 100. Kathy with 100. May, where have you been? Thank you for the 100.
100 bitties. Notice me, senpai.
I noticed you, don't worry. I got you.
Robot Coffee Chef.
Robot, another 100. Thank you so much, man.
Does not belong on pizza.
Ooh. Hot take. Jay, did you fix your phone? I talked about it earlier today. My phone's not 100%. Every so often it kind of just like goes crazy, but we're just gonna work with it for now because I felt like an idiot for breaking it, and people were like, just put a donation goal out. I was like, no, I don't. Like, I'm the one that broke the phone. You guys shouldn't have to pay for that, you know? Like, it's whatever. How did you break it? There was a torrential downpour here, so like every single day we get like an hour or two of really, really hard rain. And
Infects dropped 100 bitties.
Beer Elf again with 100 bits.